Lot number 3085A is an Apple. 2002 Sea-Doo GTX DI. Freshwater Minnesota jet ski. We are tearing this machine down into parts. If you'd like to buy parts off this machine, call Martos Motorsports 218-844-4968. We ship parts every day worldwide. Credit card, PayPal, everything's accepted. Reason for the teardown is it's got a bad engine. Do a walk around here. The color is a nice bright blue. The seats are in good shape. The hull's in okay shape. All the parts off this machine are available for sale. As you can tell, it's a clean Minnesota freshwater boat. Thanks for stopping by.